Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, and today I want to talk about something that I've been struggling in the past, and that is how to set goals and actually achieve them. So let's get started. So, how do you write down a goal? Goals must be measurable, realistic, specific, and have a deadline. In that way, you'll know exactly what you want and be able to track your progress. For example, I will earn $1,000 by X date. I will lose 20 pounds by X date. I will read 100 pages of X book by X date. So as you can see, the goals above are measurable. They either measure money, pounds, pages. You can track if you're making progress or not. They are specific, they are realistic, and that is more individual to each person because each person knows or has a certain measurement of what he can achieve in a certain time, and they all have a deadline. Goals should also have reasons and an action plan. So for reasons, write down the reasons for each goal. Why do you want to achieve that goal? Why is it important to you? If you answer those questions, it will help you stay on track even when it's hard, since you will be pulled towards your reasons. So for example, I want to earn $1,000 by X date because that will help me believe that I can earn money online. Or I want to read 100 pages of X book by X date because I want to develop my people skills. As to an action plan, write down a plan for achieving that goal. That will make you clear on what actions you need to take in order to achieve your goals. So, for example, I will read 10 pages every day for the next 10 days in order to read 100 pages by X date. Or I will train in the gym for 6 days a week in order to lose 20 pounds by X date. The next thing you're gonna want to do is set short-term and long-term goals. So short-term goals are goals you set for the next month to up to 3 months. Those will be milestones on your journey to complete your long-term goals and will be easier to achieve than your long-term goals. So it won't feel too far away from where you want to be. Then you're going to want to set long-term goals, which are goals for the next 6 to 12 months. This will be much bigger goals, which might feel a bit far away from at the moment and will have bigger impact on your life. So I want to give you some tips that have helped me achieve my goals in addition to what I already said. First, don't write down too many goals. Instead, focus on one or two short-term and long-term goals because otherwise you will feel overwhelmed and you won't stay focused on your goals. The next thing is sharing it with other people and communities. So you can share it on online communities like Facebook groups, forums, maybe this video, and also you can share it with a friend or a family member who will support you and hold you accountable. So it's important that you actually share it with someone you think can support you and not just anyone, because certain people won't support you or maybe laugh at you. So choose wisely who you're gonna share it with. Write your goals somewhere you can see them every day. That will help you keep your goals in mind every day of the week. So, for example, you could print your goals and have them on your fridge or in a certain way, a place in your computer, somewhere you will see them every day. Each morning when you wake up, write down 3 of the most important things you want to complete that day. If you do that, you won't waste a single day without making progress towards your goals. It will help you focus for the tasks in that day. Now I want to challenge you to a 30-day challenge of doing what I just said. Commit to a 30-day challenge where each day you'll write down 3 of the most important things you have to complete that day. That will help you achieve your goals and complete them. You can use a checklist to follow through, checking each day you've completed that. Also, share your goals, reasons, and action plan in the comment section below. That will inspire others to take action as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.